Is the Tiiny AI Pocket Lab really worth $399? Or is it just another overhyped gadget targeting tech enthusiasts like me and you? Let's break it down. First, what is the Tiiny AI Pocket Lab? It's a pocket-sized device that runs powerful AI models. No cloud, no data uploads. Your info stays with you. So how does it stack up against cloud AI heavyweights like ChatGPT or Claude? Here's the lowdown. Privacy, Pocket Lab wins, hands down. Your data never leaves the device. With Cloud AI, you're sending everything to remote servers. Connectivity? The Pocket Lab works offline, anywhere. No Wi-Fi? No problem. But Cloud AI? It's useless without a solid internet connection. Let's talk costs. Pocket Lab is a one-time $399 hit. Expensive, sure, but after that, you're done. Cloud AI? It's subscription city, month after month. But where does the Pocket Lab fall short? Throughput and scale. It's got impressive speed, 20 tokens a second with massive 120 billion parameter models. But cloud GPUs absolutely crush it for heavy-duty tasks, huge documents, or serving lots of users at once. So, is it a scam? Reports say no. The Pocket Lab is real, verified by Guinness as the smallest mini PC to run a 100 billion parameter LLM. It even made waves at CES 2026 with live demos and media tests. The hardware is legit too. 80 GB of RAM and a custom NPU that justifies the price, if you need what it offers. Bottom line, the Tiiny AI Pocket Lab isn't here to replace cloud AI for everyone. But if privacy, offline use, or avoiding API fees are top priorities, it's a serious contender. Just remember, it's still a Kickstarter with all the usual risks. So, are you ready to go cloudless? Or is this just a shiny sidekick?